Introducing the Ultimaker S5 Pro Bundle, a combination of products that together solve your every material handling concern. At its core is our market-leading high build volume 3D printer, the Ultimaker S5. This stands securely on the material station, the first of its kind in the world. A humidity-controlled enclosure enables continuous single or dual extrusion, housing up to 4.5 kilograms of any filament, including glass or carbon fiber composites. The Ultimaker S5 Air Manager fully encloses the build chamber. Its high-efficiency filter and multi-speed fan create an inside-out airflow that removes up to 95% of ultrafine particles, giving you the freedom to print with an extended range of materials with complete peace of mind. Each of these on their own are remarkable devices, but stack them together and something special happens. They unlock the flexibility for more applications. With true 24/7 capacity, seamless integration, and zero hassle, completing our vision of the ultimate office 3D printing experience. Let the Ultimaker S5 Pro Bundle take care of 100% of your 3D printing concerns, so you can stay 100% focused on doing your best work.
For years, our intention has been to make your ideas real. Ideas so disruptive, they can fundamentally shift the axis of tomorrow. But then, we came up with a radically new idea of our own. This is Method, the first performance 3D printer. Developing a performance 3D printer required bridging the gap between industrial 3D printing accuracy and desktop 3D printer accessibility.
We began by building upon the bedrock of several patented technologies from Stratasys, then refined and optimized every feature down to the last detail. The circulating heated chamber utilizes 2 heat exchangers with active blowers to fully envelop each print with hot air during the entire print duration. The result is twofold: consistent dimensional accuracy and optimal part strength. The seamless orchestration between the dual performance extruders provides a consistent feed of hot liquefied material across every print layer. The dual drive gear system grips material securely with 3 times the force of a typical desktop 3D printer. The extruder's length and thermal cores are 50% longer than a desktop hot end and allow for more efficient heating during the entire material loading and extrusion process. Method allows you the freedom to print in virtually unlimited geometry by utilizing best-in-class water-soluble PVA support. Inside, a rigorously tested and ultra-rigid full-body metal frame design eliminates flexing that typically occurs during high-speed print movements. Less flexing means more consistent prints with better part accuracy and uncompromised performance. Sitting on a lab-calibrated base manufactured from precision-machined aluminum, the build plate leverages high-strength positional magnets to conform itself truly flat to the bed base. Build plate adhesion comes from a layer of polycarbonate and the elevated temperature of the plate as it absorbs heat from the circulating heated chamber. Once the print is complete, the plate pulls off from its base and can be easily flexed to release the finished printed part. Combined with MakerBot's existing suite of smart accessibility features and software, including 21 strategically placed sensors, a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen, an onboard camera, intelligent material monitoring, and MakerBot Print, which supports over 25 native CAD file types. Method isn't just introducing a new category of 3D printing, it's redefining it altogether.
Inspire ingenuity, expand creativity, imagine new possibilities, and build the extraordinary with the new Pro 2 Series 3D printers from Raise 3D. Forged from the award-winning legacy of N2. The Pro 2 boasts massive build volumes, so you can think bigger. Industrial-grade components for 24/7 reliability, ready to integrate print factories and build customized parts on demand. Electronic-driven dual extruders increase torque by 400% to feed a variety of spool sizes. With hot end temperatures capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius for diverse filament compatibility. Choose from premium material options for maximum usability, strength, and flexibility. The Raise 3D Pro 2 features state-of-the-art retracting nozzles that print complex mechanical parts and improve print speed. The 32-bit motion controller has best-in-class reliability, superior thermal performance, precise voltage control, and silky smooth movement. Experience unmatched layer resolution for superior part quality. Effortless, dependable, and accurate, the Pro 2 comes standard with optical and stops. Filament runout sensors with resume. Live camera monitoring. And power loss with print resume for worry-free 3D printing. The HEPA air filtration system silently removes nanoparticles within a fully enclosed environment. An aerospace-grade high-temperature build plate system delivers even heat distribution to prevent print warping and is easy to remove and replace. Digitally interact, adjust, and control with the Pro 2's onboard computer. Easily monitor print progress and fully customize on the fly through the large 7-inch touchscreen. Import, slice, and print with the powerful and easy-to-use IdeaMaker slicing software. Wirelessly connect to the Pro 2 Series 3D printer to upload files and monitor print functions, or download files directly from USB or Ethernet ports. This is the new Pro 2 Series from Raise 3D, forever changing the face of design, engineering, and manufacturing. Visit www.raise3d.com to discover all the ways the new Pro 2 Series can inspire your ingenuity, expand your creativity, and help you build the extraordinary.
Introducing the Kodak Portrait 3D Printer, the new standard in professional desktop 3D printing. Created for education, design, and engineering professionals and featuring a fully enclosed, all-steel structure to ensure optimum temperature control. Automatic leveling and calibration ensure a seamless print every time. Our dual extrusion system with easily swappable hot ends and automatic nozzle lifting gives you freedom to print in almost any geometry. Intuitive touchscreen, built-in camera, and preset print parameters help guide an effortless process. Connect via Wi-Fi or LAN port to slice, monitor prints, send updates, and even run a print farm. And experience the Kodak 3D Cloud, our free software assisting you to manage any number of jobs or printers from anywhere.